I'm Zach and welcome back to my channel. I'm the guy that does dumb shit for my own amusement and hopefully your entertainment. With the last video I said that if we got up to over 1,000 views I would tie my couch to the back of my car and drive it around. So that is what we are going to be doing today. Let me go ahead and get this shit set up.
I got a Glock and it's pointed at you. Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got a job and it's perfect for you. Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got a Glock and it's pointed at you. Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got a job and it's perfect for you. Magically delicious. She say I'm nutritious. Maybe it's the richest. What is on your wish list? I got green like Christmas. Swimming with the fishes. I may be malicious. Please pull up your britches. She hang out with my kids. That is not your business. Leave you in a clinic. Have you eating spinach? I'm going for the Guinness. Purple like I'm grimace. Flexing like a gymnast. Starting till I finish. Oompa loompa dopity do. That's the game.
Alright, that was the first part, putting the casters on. Now we're going to put some hooks on so I can tie some rope to it. Alright, good video. Step 3, adding some rope.
Hit the blunt, now I'm talking real slow. Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got a Glock and it's pointed at you. Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got a job and it's perfect for you. Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got a Glock and it's pointed at you. Oompa loompa doopity doo. I got a job and it's perfect for you. I'm blessed but not a saint. There's no place I can't go. They do what I say, so I just love my play. I just want my pace.
I think that's gonna stay.
Yeah, I kind of want to go buy that one I told you I thought was cool.
The red one?
Yeah.
I thought that one was cool too.
How did we do it with the other thing?
It was like hooked on right there. And then the other one was like wrapped around like hooked onto itself.
Probably about that much space. So I got this too, just like that. That might work.
The only problem is you're not gonna have no tension. That's the reason we kept it so tight on the other one. Is because we had so much tension. So now, like, look, your hook's loose.
Yeah, but until we're moving,
I guess, yeah.
it's worth a try.
All right. There you go.
Yeah,
You gonna put your feet up?
eventually. As soon as I get the tension off. I'm just scared that there's no brakes on it.
Dude,
What's the worst that can happen?
don't put your feet down whenever I stop.
No, I'll just put my feet up against the car.
Yeah, don't put your feet down when I stop.
hooks out.
I see the rope.
This shit looks scary.
Yeah, that did. That looks scary.
Wait, I gotta figure out how to like strap myself in. This shit was scary back here.
The hooks came out. I gotta figure out how to put those back in.
Can you tell me what day it is, life's passing by? 'Cause I'm out chasing empty highs. Every hello just means goodbye. But I'm looking for more this time. Can we start to slow it down? Can we learn to live right now? I just want to feel it out. Ooh, I'm a Ferrari, pulled off on Mulholland Drive. Over the city, the lights are so pretty from up here.
Look, Zach, look. You see these two things right here?
Yeah, smart man.
I mean, it could end up hurting me in the long run, but hey.
Probably not.
Here, I'm gonna let someone else tie the knot. I'm not good at tying knots. Let's say if I tie the knot, it's gonna end up being fucked up. Someone's dying. Unless these break off now, then you're fucked.
Oh yeah, that'd be a pretty shit.
How many did you tie? Just one or two?
Just one is what I did.
I did two.
Alright, now let's get out of here. Just trying to back up.
What happened? I think you grabbed it.
Grab what?
His vape.
Oh.
You ready?
No, not yet.
Damn, look at the marks it's making on the road.
I bet.
I think one of the casters broke. Alright, smooth and steady until we get the range figured out. Hold on to it.
We're almost home, right?
Yeah, you just turn left and go straight.
Lift the couch up and put it on the roof.
Wait, try putting both sides of this on the little in between that.
I'll just hold on to it.
Yeah, fuck
Yeah,
it.
do that.
Maybe it'll just throw me off the couch.
Ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
We made it close, right?
Pride.
What?
Said my pride broke.
Ah, there was like a pothole.
Alright, so the trial run didn't go too well. We're gonna cut some more rope and do it again. Part 2. Got it? Alright, we're good.
You ready?
Yep.
Ready as I'll ever be. This feels dangerous. Alright. We're down to 3 wheels.
Hey, you might need some help.
Alright, that was painful. I want to show the camera my back. What's it look like?
Here, turn it. I can see it. Wait, let me zoom in. I'm zooming in. Give me a second.
You might need to get it in the sun.
Nah, we're good.
You can see it.
My knee's fucked up.
Damn, dude. Crazy idea.
Oh, what's my knee look like? Oh, yeah, look at that. This is so painful.
Is your knee bad too?
No, my knee's really not that bad.
I kind of knew it was good.
I guess he'll probably never let me drive again.
On your thumb? Or is that already there?
Couldn't fucking hold on, butterfingers.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I had fun creating this one, even though it was a little bit painful. Once again, thank you to Sandra L for the last video challenge that got me up to over 2,000 views so far. And if we can get this video right here up to at least 500 views, I will wear nothing but my underwear and jump into a pond while it is below freezing. Let's keep on going.